Okay, what we got here for you today is one of these damage or repair lots. Now, some of the equipment that you see on the table in front of you will work. Some of it will work just great. It's just basically too inexpensive for us to list individually, so the profit margin isn't there, so we're just going to go ahead and put it in this pile. That's typically some of the smaller calipers. Some of the other equipment you're going to see will need some sort of repair, calibration. God knows what it's going to be that is wrong with it, but you'll have to figure that out yourself. Obviously, we got a set of parallel bars sitting here. It's almost complete. Just one of the bar sets is missing, so that obviously there's not much you can do there except order another piece. But what you see before you is basically, I'm going to call it the caliper set. We've got about at least a dozen, probably 14, 15, but at least a dozen calipers of various size, various styles. Some are digital, some dials, some vernier. We've also got some test indicators in here. We've got one depth gauge. I've got a 2 to 3 inch micrometer. It's actually in metric, but anyway, 2 to 3 inches. Then we've got another little internal mic sitting here. Like I said, there's the parallel bars. We've got an actual thickness gauge, old-fashioned, and I've got one little 12-inch height gauge that doesn't want to shut off. So what you see before you is probably $2,000 to $3,000 worth of equipment. I don't know exactly. I'd have to tally it up, and I don't have time to do it. But nonetheless, you're going to get this set of calipers and other instruments, as I described, for much, much less than that. Again, this is our repair and/or lot that's just not something we could put out for a retail sale because the profit margins just aren't there for us. So take advantage of it. Do expect to do some repairs, some calibration, and some other minor tweaks to some of this stuff. But it's a great set. You're going to get a great, great bargain on it. Don't delay.